Welcome to the video of triangle. In this video, we are going to know about triangle. So what is a triangle? To know what is a triangle, we have drawn one polygon. Why it is polygon? Because here it has three sides, and we know a figure with more than two sides are called polygon. So here this picture is polygon. Now triangle mean three angle. Tri mean three, and angle we know this is angle. So triangle mean three angle. We can see here one angle, two angle, and three angles are there. So it is a triangle. So now we can define triangle as a polygon with three line segment. A polygon with three line segment, 1, 2 and 3. So there are three line segment in a triangle and three angles also, one angle, two angle and three angle. So in a triangle there are three line segment and there are three angles. Now we can see vertex. Here is one vertex, here is one vertex, and here is one vertex. So in a triangle, three vertices are there. We know what is vertex. Vertex is a point where two lines meets. These two lines meet here in this point. So this is called vertex. And in a triangle, there are three vertices, 1, 2 and 3. Now we can name this triangle as A. This point is A. This is B. And this is C. So we can call this triangle as A, B, C triangle, and we can call this triangle as also B, C, A triangle. Now we can call this triangle as C, B, A. So a triangle can be named by three different names, CAB or CBA. So this is all about triangles. Now types of triangle. So we can classify triangles on the basis of sides and angles. Here in this slide we have classified triangles on the basis of side. There are three types of triangle, namely scalene, isosceles and equilateral triangle on the basis of side. So what is scalene triangle? If I draw one triangle like this one, so we can see here that suppose this is 3, this is 4 and this is 5. So we can see here that this side is 3 cm, this side is 4 cm and this side is 5 cm. So all the sides are different. So when all the sides are different, then this type of triangle is called scalene triangle. Next, isosceles triangle. Again, I am drawing one triangle. You can see here I am drawing one triangle. In this triangle, you can see this side is 3, this also 3, and this is 4. So when two sides are equal, that means this one and this one, and one is different, then it is called isosceles triangle. Again, isosceles triangle are those triangles where two sides are equal. Now equilateral triangle. If I draw one triangle, suppose this is a triangle I am drawing. The triangle I am drawing. This side is 3, this is 3 and this is also 3. So we can see here that both the three sides or all the three sides are equal. So when all the three sides are equal, then that type of triangle is called equilateral triangle. So what is equilateral triangle? A triangle having all the sides equal. So these are the three types of triangle on the basis of side. Now, types of triangle on the basis of angle. So there are three types of triangle: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle on the basis of angles. If I see the first one, if I draw one triangle here, for example, this is a triangle I am drawing. So here are three angles are there, 1, 2 and 3. If all these angles are less than 90, for example, this is 30, this is 30, this is also 30, this angle, and this angle is also 30. So here all the angles are less than 90. So when all the angles are less than 90, then this type of triangle is called acute angle triangle. Again, when all the angles are less than 90, then the triangle is called acute angle triangle, because we know acute angle means less than 90. Now, right angle triangle. Again, I am drawing one triangle here. I am drawing one triangle here. This is our 90-degree angle, and we know 90-degree angle is called right angle. This is 90-degree angle. So when a triangle having one 90-degree angle, then the triangle is called right angle triangle. This is called right angle triangle because here we can see one 90-degree angle. Now, obtuse angle triangle. So what is obtuse angle triangle? To know what is obtuse angle triangle, we have to draw one triangle first. Suppose this is a triangle I am drawing. This is a triangle. So this is a triangle because three sides are there, so it must be a triangle. 1, 2 and 3 sides, and 3 angles are there. One angle, this is second angle, this is third angle. So here we can see this two angle is less than 90. Suppose this is 30 and this is 40. I'm considering this one 40, and this is 110. So we can see here two acute angle and one obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means less greater than 90. 110 is greater than 90, so it is a obtuse angle. So a triangle having an obtuse angle is called obtuse angle triangle. So what is obtuse angle? A triangle having one obtuse angle, that means angle which is more than 90. So these are the three types of triangle on the basis of angle. So here we are ending our video. In the next video we will discuss something else. Goodbye.